What is up, everybody? Hello, my name is Kaijo, and today we're going to be learning how to make yoyos glasses from Jet Set Radio. What you'll first need is cardboard, plastic, basically the plastic bag thingies you find at Michael's for like $2, and red spray paint and white spray paint. Those are the materials you will need, and now on to how to make the glass frames. Okay, so the first thing I did was I made the shape out of cardboard, and I used also you're gonna need a box cutter for this, so be careful. I used a box cutter and a sharpie to make out the glasses frame, and then cut it out to make it look something like this. I wanted it slanted, so I did that, and then you're gonna need to hot glue them together, like all the pieces, including the earpiece and the nose piece. And of course, you are going to need, you're just going to need to hot glue that, and after you're done with that, you are going to need to spray paint the glasses like so, and it will look like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is get a plastic bag, or like anything that's see-through. I use a plastic baggy thing, that was roughly like $2, so there's that. And then of course what you're gonna need to do is pin it to a piece of cardboard and then make the shape of the lenses. Once you pin it, just all you have to do is lightly spray paint it, or else it will look like this, but I made mine see-through because you want that. And there you go. That's how to make yoyos glasses from Jet Set Radio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all that good stuff. This took me roughly about a few minutes to make. It wasn't that hard. I just had to look at the shape and all that stuff, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there, and peace out.